Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today I'm reviewing the CYBERWING, the world's first holographic projector and desktop nightlight. This amazing device integrates music dynamic, app control, and spray functions, creating a colorful atmosphere for your next party or date night. With its RGB LED light and sound dynamic, it'll be the perfect desktop ornament. The CYBERWING draws inspiration from Rubik's Cube and Transformers, and is built with LED beads inside and ABS material for an irregular, hollowed-out design. Furthermore, it has 16.5 million RGB colors and 12 fixed light modes available in the self-developed app. Connect via Bluetooth to choose from a wide range of color modes. With a built-in spray system and 13,500 mAh dual batteries, you can enjoy up to 3 hours of continuous misting. This device is a must-have for anyone looking to add a little extra fun and surprise to their night. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching.